Colorado River down there. Here we are, still opening day. Beautiful morning. The sky last night was just clear. Never seen stars so bright in a long time. And having a good time out here. You can check out the landscape, and it is just really good to be out here in Colorado, away from responsibilities. There's only one responsibility out here: try to keep up in putting Uncle Mark down. So that's it. That's all we do. I'm learning fast. That's all we do at camp. Uncle Josh is over here taking a leak. The other Uncle Josh is in here eating.
What's going on?
Hey, say hi. Just turn in there. Talk to the camera a minute.
How's it going? Who am I talking to?
Whoever. This is a family. This will be a family video.
We're having a good time out here, so trying to get the animals. So hopefully we do.
That's it. That's it.
Well, we're going to get ready to go back out here in a little few and hunt till dark, show some sun, some more country, and maybe shoot straighter this time.
Who do I want to communicate? And be caught up in.
Favorite pass from what?
You've been out here a lot, right, Josh?
Oh, from up here?
Yeah. So tell us a good story from your past out here.
One of my greatest memories I'll never forget is when my dad and we both got 2 big bulls and 2 big bucks all in the same year and within the same couple of days of each other. That was the best hunting season I've ever had.
What year was that?
That was in 2002.
Nice. Skinner Mark. Skinner the winner. Boy can't hold a gun or shoot, but boy, he can skin a buck. Hold that up. This right here is Josh Olson's buck this morning. 79ers. 2. The rest, 0. That's right. Here in a minute, I'll show you my buck. Right now, I just could run my mouth at this stupid device while I'm checking out Joshy and Josho and Mark. Uncle Josh's buck. This is what the 79ers do. Fill their tags. Look at that. Nice looking 5x3. They count mule deers different. But man, much longer points than the little one your dad shot. I got more points, but this one will score better. This is a good buck. Good buck, Uncle Josh. And here's the other buck. This is the little guy I got. He's got more points. He'll score as a 5x5 potentially, depending on this little knob right here, if that gets out to be an inch or not. But made a good shot on that guy too. So there he is. We had to cut him in half and carry him out. It was quite the adventure. But 2 bucks in one morning, that's pretty good. The 2 79ers. this, the Great
Anything?
White Hunter.
Lots of tracks.
Okay, we can do our highs and lows again.
Highs and lows of the day or of our life?
No, my high was still everybody being here together. This doesn't happen very easily, so thank you for coming. Yeah. Hopefully we can do it again. Might not be hunting, but something. Family get together or whatever. Low is it being over, you know.
It's over?
Well, the five of us together.
Well, you know, once I leave, you guys will be bored. In 2021, when Josh got married. But my high was getting to spend this last day with my brother. That was fantastic.
Yeah.
We had a great conversation, and he didn't annoy me. The low is that I gotta go home, go back to work.
I'm next.
Yeah, because I said.
Because of all this is my high. This is fun.
Yeah.
This is a blast. I enjoy this a lot. Too bad it's once a year, but I enjoy this a lot.
Yeah. We did a lot of laughing.
And the low, I don't really. It'll probably hit when we all have to leave and pack up. That's when the low will hit. But right now, I don't have one. No elk. It is the way it is, but that's still
That's hunting.
just hunting with you guys.
If you got one every time, they'd call it killing.
That's true.
That's right.
Box.
My high has definitely been the trip. Seeing this clown. No, spending time with all you guys. It's precious. But I really don't have a low. You know, I'm blessed. I thank God every day for everything I have. Because I never, in a million years, would have thought that I had the things that we have. So, just being able to be out here, you know, fly from Virginia. That was a trip in itself.
That was high.
But, yeah, 40,000 feet high. But, you know, I mean, time is precious. And like I tell everybody, you only get so much time with family. So, enjoy it.
Yeah, my high today, just getting to hop logs with Josh today was pretty fun. And to overlook seeing you guys sit together across the valley, riding in the truck together. But I mean, really, this whole trip though. doe tag anyways, but for the ladies. Safety zone.
In the back is better. The one in the back. Give me a backpack or something. They're coming this way.
On top now, here. Right side. Take him. The one above the trees. He's broadside. Good deer. Wait for him. There you go.
I can settle down.
The one on top is bigger.
Okay.
He's broadside.
Come here, Jeremiah.
What?
Can I use your shoulder?
Hold it tight. They're both good deer. I like the one on top better. Yes. You still there?
Yeah, they just went down the trees.
Did you miss?
I don't know.
You kind of
He jumped.
jumped. Did they both go in the trees?
Yeah.
There's one left of the dead tree.
Huh?
There's one left of the dead tree.
That's him.
Don't shoot until you know that
There's two of them.
Yeah, if they're both walking fine.
But one's a doe, I think, isn't it?
No, they're both. Wait, yes, don't shoot, don't shoot. That front one's a doe. I think you hit that other one. Let's give it a second. So I thought Papa got that deer, and because it jumped when Papa shot, but he did not. There's no blood, no sign. We saw all three kick out of there. 3 bucks. One was really, really nice, but Papa, what are you gonna say?
Give me some more ammo and practice more.
Yeah. But it's beautiful. It's fun. The thrill, that was cool. Just to be there with Dad. We got it on video. We got the attempt. I don't know how well they seen the animals will come through that, but it's fun watching those 2 bucks chase each other. But that's why it's called hunting and not killing. And so we're gonna stay in the game. It's kind of the last day we're after it, but we'll keep our eyes open here. But it's been a heck of a week, and we'll catch you again.